Good morning, students. This is your geography lesson. Students, you know that we are reading natural topographical features of the Indus Plain. And we have discussed first two plains, the active floodplain and the old floodplain. Today we will discuss alluvial terraces and cross section of a dwarf. So we start our lesson. What is alluvial? An alluvial plain is a largely flat landform created by the deposition of sediment over a long period of time by one or more rivers coming from highland regions from which alluvial soil forms. So what is an alluvial plain? An alluvial plain is a largely flat landform created by the deposition of sediment over a long period of time by one or more rivers coming from highland regions from which alluvial soil forms. And what are alluvial deposits? Alluvial deposit, material deposited by rivers. These materials are deposited by rivers. It consists of silt, sand, clay and gravel as well as much organic matter. So what are the materials for alluvial deposits? It consists of silt, sand, clay and gravel as well as much organic matter. So what are the definition of alluvial terraces? These are areas of high grounds. So alluvial terraces or bars are areas of higher ground. They are formed by old alluvium erosion. So the grounds between rivers formed by erosion of old alluvium from 5 to 15 meter. They are also known as scalped interfluvies. So, what is interfluvius? An interflow is a narrow, elongated and plateau-like or ridge-like landform between two valleys. More generally, an interflow is defined as an area of a higher ground between two rivers in the same drainage system. Its surface is flat and has a southwest slope. So the surface of the alluvial terraces is flat and has a southwest slope. The terraces are considered ideal for agriculture with the help of irrigation facilities. So these terraces and these plains are very suitable for irrigation. The location of alluvial terraces can be Sandalbar, Bari, Rachna, Shajduab in the upper Indus plain. Cross section of a dwarf. Dwarf is a term used in South Asia for the tract of land lying between two confluent rivers. It is similar to an interflow. Literally, two bodies of water. Dwarf is two bodies of water. A region lying between and reaching to the confluence of two rivers. And a dwarf can be found at the confluence of the two rivers, i.e., a land. And dwarfs are between the river Jhelum and river Sindh. There is Sindh Sagar Dwarf. Between the river Jhelum and river Sindh, there is Sindh Sagar Dwarf. Between river Chenab and Jhelum, there is Chaj Dwarf. Chaj Dwarf. Between river Ravi and Chenab, there is Rachna Dwarf. Between river Satluj and Ravi, there is Bari Dwarf. What is the importance of dwarfs? The canal water promotes and supports agriculture. So what is the importance of dwarf? First importance is that canal water promotes and supports agriculture. We use water to irrigate our lands. Urban settlement can be done without hassle. Another importance of dwarf is that settlement, residential areas can be developed there. There are links to air, rail and road developed. So the access to that areas is easy. We can move to that areas through air, rail and road. Factories and industrial estates are established. Another importance of Doab is that factories and industrial estates can be established there. These places are suitable for the development of industries and factories. Moreover, business markets and storage of raw materials of agriculture are provided. So these are the importance features of Dwarfs. So this is your lesson for today. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.